All right, I want to talk about Bitcoin options trading. I was just looking at the Bitcoin chart, and it just did exactly what I like. The generic kind of trade setup looks like it's holding. This is not financial advice, but I'm considering a call option on Bitcoin here, and I'll show you why. Right now, I'm just holding Bitcoin, but um, the I was thinking I could do a call option on the Grayscale Bitcoin fund out of my, real trading account, but I've never traded I've never traded options on crypto, and so I've been trying to look up like what is the best crypto place to try to do options trading, and I guess there's Binance is like the huge one, but you can't do it in the U.S. There's like Binance.us, um, and it has way less coins. I don't know if that's a good one or not. I've been on Kracken before, but I've never traded options on there. Um, that's available in the US. I just want in the comments, if you don't mind, hit the like button. And if you know like the best place for someone in the US to trade uh, crypto options, please let me know. And also anywhere else you are, like I'd like to get a chat going about crypto options trading because I've talked a lot about option strategies, and that's pretty much the same strategies for crypto, except the charts are more insane, which is good for options because you want vertical movements for trading options. You want like vertical up for calls and vertical down for puts. But yeah. Anyway, this is the whole Bitcoin thing. This is the huge old crash, and it doesn't look that huge anymore. And here's the floor. And so we broke out of this consolidation zone. We shot off parabolic, and we did a big peak reversal here. And so, a lot of people are saying it's going to crash a bit or pull back to the moving average or whatever. Like, and I'm like, yeah, that's probably what'll happen. I heard everyone saying that. But let me get into maybe like a 15-minute chart? And let's look at this thing because it just did something that I didn't exactly expect. A super generic trade setup, though. 15 is too tight. Let's go to an hour. But you can see where it is now. It broke out of the zone, and it's sitting on top now. So I just bought Bitcoin here on the back test, and I'm expecting this thing to freaking just take off because I mean you have this huge run up, and I mean it's monstrously huge, but this is just a super generic freaking bull pennant, and they're saying like, oh, Elon Musk made it go up a little bit. Like, no, he didn't. This is just normal trading patterns. Look, it's just crossing the zone. It did a double tap on the bottom side. It's just the completely most generic freaking bull pennant. And then you get the breakout, you get a back test on top, and then off to the freaking races. Like, and the size of this thing is quite often, um, you know, as big as the run up to it. I mean, we went from 16 to 40, 30 something on that. I don't know. It could go up like 20 more from here pretty fast. So, whatever, 55 maybe as a target and potentially pass that into another formation. So, I mean, how long did this take? How long did this acceleration kind of run up thing take? But I think that we're probably on a higher level trend line. Let me, yeah, let me try to this kind of pennant usually like goes over and taps the trend line. So I'll try to set one up in a second. But I mean, this was December-ish. I guess we started the run up, um, or a little bit earlier. So not that long. Let me zoom out a little farther, and I'll try to get some trend lines on this thing. Um, But yeah, the general idea is you want a call option. Not you, but hypothetically anyone that's interested in call option-y type stuff. Okay, so where were we? We kind of broke out September, 3 months, 3 or 4 months. So the next leg would probably be pretty similar, like 4 months to get up to 55 or something. That's like the generic kind of trade setup. Not that I'll do exactly that, but that's the idea. And so for a call option, let's see if there's any trend lines that look interesting. I mean, we have like from the crash, we have a support trend line, and then bang, we take off here, and it changes the game. Yeah, it's like really freaking vertical. So I mean, it's almost multiple trend lines as far as trying to draw like a bubble trend lines to watch for like a breakdown move. But I mean, yeah, I mean we're just going freaking vertical like right now, obviously. So I think